Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge.
Yes, today is the first time in your life you're going to hear from someone who was a part of a gang criminal organization in Kingston Eastern Division. Yes, a man who is very, very close with Tony Brown, George Flash, Desi Brown, who is Tony Brown brother. He's really the man that they would say really behind the scenes. Yes, and Desi Brown currently live at the PMP headquarters in Jamaica. Yes, not an ordinary man, based on the information received. And this video is a update today. The Tony Brown family member, telling us that Angela Brown Burke is in fact Tony Brown's daughter. And trust me, the things that this man is revealing is jaw-dropping. He did not realize that all along that the PMP LGBTQ plus party was a criminal organization until, people, we do believe in a redemption. People have done things based on their circumstances, and this man has changed his life. And, what has happened then and what he has done, he accepts it as being wrong. And he's another one who's tired of the killing. And based on where he sees the party is going on, so that's why they're talking. People are speaking up because they're saying everyone in Jamaica, 99% of the people who live there are black people, and they don't see why black people are killing each other because of political party when these people do not care about them. And he's telling you're gonna hear about Danai Williams allegedly, paid a man. You're going to kill Jackie Fish, that is Tony Brown, the farmer most wanted man nephew. You're gonna hear, even when he was going to the funeral, the police had to kill one of the men who were a part of the motorcade having a illegal gun and firing up shots and gunshot, and police kill one of them and recover the gun. You're going to hear so many things that it's unbelievable, because this is coming from someone who's very close to them. So I had to mask the man voice because, to protect his family, because I'm still have family in Rockfort. He's a man who know Ugly Summers as a gun bag, as a nobody. If you don't know who's Ugly Sum, you have to just search that. Just go into Google and type in Ugly Sum, and you will see the person photograph and thing comes up. You're gonna hear that they revere Desi Brown, Philip Palwell and Peter Phillips, and how Peter Phillips' son turned against Philip Palwell, and that's how the party structure is. It's a corrupt it's a criminal organization. There's no unity, and it's all about what's in it for me, and they will kill you. So, he's no longer a part of their world, so he's just exposing what's happened. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. But his voice is distorted to protect not only him, but his family that he still have out there in Rockfort. You understand? So you're going to hear even about an incident with Renita Adams, with Tony Brown and George Flash and Renita Adams. So when he's around them, he keeps his gun and safe because he know that he's among friends. You're going to hear, honestly, it's jaw-dropping. Lots of work, but we get it done. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Work at it, what I call it now, my liaison officer for you.
Alright, logistics.
Yes. So we talk about Jackie Fish now. Jackie Fish Park.
man. Listen. Danai is just a whole bunch of hate with Danai.
A whole of them just eat Danai?
Danai hate one of the man them. Danai want to be the done. That's right. Alright, look. You see, even the same judge thing the way I talk about, but say I take man one I look for. Only some now the name for me tell you so the man come from Harbour Road. In a East Kingston. Named Baby. And when he come from prison, you know, and they get one up and when he come from
That's the third man in a judge.
Yes.
Remember say police will investigate the case, you know, when he ear and Danai will
Ears.
Yeah, although but ears it pronounced as criminal, you know.
Yeah, man. Him and the next one, Dixon. Forgot to him name. In them they hold him with a fridge with a gun. And him run away. Dixon. Yeah, man. You're right.
So you know Bulgin, Trevor Bulgin. The other one where they call judge and him depend that role.
Yeah, man. You know the whole of them, man.
So where him there? Can him come out you know, so the man come out of prison and him thing there. You know, so the man want kill him mother for one stove. No, me I tell you.
Seriously. Yeah, I told you.
I took the man to nearly 30 years of prison, you know. And the man come back from prison, you know, and I want him mother to buy back the stove, you know. The same place back down a Burger Gully, and when me hear that, me I say, what kind of man this? Walk off a foot. Girl at jail and get all beaten for him, you know, when the man look for him.
Yeah, man. Look, brother, you see, the significant things, it starts from Tigo, but Tigo was just a politician.
Yeah, because
Flash.
was him too icy.
Yes. Then Desi.
So all Desi get set up on them thing there.
Alright, remember I said Desi used to appear, you know. I must say about 50 states Desi wanted not to be honest, so big one thing, you know. You get the message. So what happened now is like he want to come home, because we don't already, you know, I tell you best a joke one day we make a walk with him. And go up on the Kentucky, you know, so we can sit out on front there.
Yeah, man, you like call it.
Alright, because them kind of them have Kajima on the barge. And threw the money on the big contract tomorrow. You don't know, like you say, now when me you're talking about us, they did laugh like that. It's so right. It's so right.
Look here, me a I get to my barn and grow, you know. You say, you know, so me have a video I come out on them thing there. You see a brother on them thing there. Them man, they are older on them thing there. So, the reason why I put up 2 pictures on them thing there, I not think call them on them name and nothing, just look. So me I tell you, say, me's a man, that's why I tell you, say, me I come from the belly of a beast. And them destroy poor people, picnic, and people family.
You understand? Mr. P, me hear you say a thing, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to meditate. When me hear you say a one political party,
Yeah, man.
and criminal organization.
I don't know
And when we sit down and meditate the thing that we want over this, I was thinking time all the way to jungle, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
It's a network, man.
Yeah, man, the whole thing time all the way to jungle, come on, no joke.
Hey, I one thing with them still, you know, and them around for kill them friend, though, you know.
Brother. Yo, alright. You see one time, you see one of those and a joke again, man. Yeah, drama. Sit up on the block with one of them one time. See him. He said an ex-criminal police when they McGregor. Jesus Christ. Hold on. Sit up on the block. McGregor called Flash. I said, yo, Mr. Adams and him friend them down there, you know. And them a plan to come up there, you know. Cause them a look for one, you know. And them want to go and attack. And I say it to you, cause Flash no play, you know, brother. Flash really don't play. Sit down there as youth and you're there with them, but now like with them, you see. And I tell you, so when the man goes so rough on Adams pull.
Adams, take him gun and put it on safety. Because when he pull up in front of where we hear click, our things are ready. So we hear click, but our safety him go up. You understand? And him jump out. And him say, good morning, Mr. Flash, and good morning, Mr. Brown. When I come up here, I don't have to put my gun on fire. And the man said, I don't like your bomb clot, Adams. I don't like you.
Who said that?
Flash. Flash didn't got shit in his face.
I said, I don't pussy clot like you come here, so you don't have a blood clot station. I tell your friend, boy, I come kill and shoot. And him say, who tell you that? Oh, which one of you? Him say, when I come there, I tell all of them to put their phone in the bucket. So who really tell you that? One piece of dilemma right on the front. The flash they for the fuck with me, you know. You know me, take it back to the 80s and go back in our work there, you know. Don't fuck with me, Adams. Don't fuck with me. Adams saying, let me tell you, Mr. Flash, you notice I just put my gun on safety. I don't go nowhere and drive without my gun being on safety. And if you want to ask, you can tell him, say, you, them, I sit up on the corner that day, they would come up there.
Which corner that? Which part that no?
That's a
ugly. That's a ugly something.
Ugly some them one there that don't have it gully. The one that come from
I know them come from, man.
them come from the gully box. They want brother, the place that place was a jungle, man. Nightmare. Yeah, my brother. Nightmare.
So what? So
you ask about Desi now and them thing there.
Alright, look. When him come in one day without the KFC, right? Coming out of the truck, like on the street, as it is without the KFC. They know some 48 FBI agent. Rush the man. I tried to him in our car for crime on the police. Book up on them face and I bet a book. And serious when we did it. Be a fight, man. Jump out, man. See him. Couple thugs. Squeeze off. But you know the one in the right. What can I do? But not really. See the whole nature of the thing. I wonder if you understand the answer.
Yeah, man.
Not really. See the whole nature of the thing and what you want. But we can't fall in front of our eyes. Fall out in front of our eyes. I would did it. The man eased them off and jumped back out by the car. And so now, so the PG and the whole thing, don't tell him, sir. Where my car goes in a state of all of them things, all of that is correct. He would have to go up there and beat himself, and then the one of them I tell him, say, look, I should do it. And the whole way. You get it now.
Why does he have to alien himself?
And the one them, a federal agent over here want him.
So him over here in the American prison still?
No, he's down there.
So, but me don't know if him convicted for no crime at Jamaica.
That's what I understand. So during the time when I'm going, something wrong. That's where you come in now. Something wrong, what one? Because right now I'm still living up at PMP headquarters. This thing there. So something wrong.
So him supposed to have prison, but him at PMP headquarters.
So something wrong without me, I tell you.
So who him could have given then?
Something wrong. Something wrong. The mystery, they are not mystery there again. But something wrong because him did it. And all of them things that was going under the floor. So like me, I tell you, it is deep. It is deep. I did it. So, but I come on there, I tell you, you might understand him go have distant family. Him goes a distant family.
Him right. I want to tell you, say between me and you, you say some things where you say a long time me have film thing, you know. You say some things where you hear me play and him thing there. Me say after that, you know, I want police where him and Tony Brown are friend, you know, where Tony Brown rate, cause him name Brown too, you know. Him say some things and you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Jacky fish thing. We did we got Jacky fish funeral, a man dead on Jacky fish. When we have that funeral, a man dead that day.
Out of Rockford?
Yeah, right on Harbour Street.
Yes.
Him tell me that too.
Are you them Chris? And the next you them called it up on the bike.
So
I them say a police kill him.
Police shot Chris. But I called them really short. I called them still the gun. You get what I'm saying?
So them do get the gun?
The gun. I didn't get the gun. I didn't get the gun. I didn't get the gun time. And run go too south. Cause when the way out me on the yeah, that's police. They can go out who got to shake you all on one. Come over the car up on the top of the Jeep. See, and the one in my ride. And the man, I tell us that the police are at the Jeep. But we not want to get, but they are trying to go down. See the action. But with a woman come round, you know, that breezy castle that's where them play football. That's all this.
Yeah.
Say, I have a straighten up now. So when come round, they say, alright, they say, come catch me to the action, then they say, alright, they say, in front of where. So and them go to, because the white man come round, it's like them clap 2 shots in the mirror, this up. You get what I'm saying? But they never even see the Jeep.
Them fire 2 shots in a year.
Yeah.
So them a fire shot for them a eat that hour.
I'm going to take care of them, say them dip on a damn one dead. You know the partners, you know everybody has a go like,
Yeah, but
we are youth. So,
when I walk out,
Some they kill Jackie.
yeah, Jack Waterhouse.
Yeah, cause remember the time man them thing there. Cause I pay the man them me get paid for kill him.
Yeah, them pay a youth them. I think that teacher them in there, a youth them teacher them pay us going on there, they're washing bus on Sunday. And he was speech up there, and put on 9 minutes. And that's what I left him.
Tony Brown nephew.
Yeah, then I orchestrate the whole thing.
so
You really box that knife you?
Yeah, box down, then I run it. Alright, there's a box down Pepsi. You must see about Pepsi.
yeah man, they done man.
Pepsi, yeah. There's a boxing going on there, I take my AK from him. And I say, boy, we are doing this. You know, you're a little boy. Huh? And he might have been going in our money now. I think it's a witness, you know. He might have been going in our money now, that come through, make a walk. And there's a crouch on him. And we didn't see the action, and we didn't sit down on him. There's a step out of the yard, man. And I said, yo, who that? I said, me, Pepsi. I said, yeah, yeah, sir. What is? I said, where you get this from? I said, yeah. I said, no, man, how do you look at boy? Blah! Shot him $2. I said, if I go to back in the gully with this, tell them I them say me have this. Tell them say there's man Brown have it. Really, boy. No joke.
So
You never run back that night AK-47.
He run back on an audio and then I can't yo. But the man I tell you boy, real stepper.
Really the man.
Yeah, man, I real stepper, man. No joke. They're training most of them things there.
The brigade stuff.
Yeah, in my flash. Tiga politician, and now I say that to you again. Tiga more dealer there, politician them.
Yeah, and the logistics and everything there.
All of the high ranking them in dealing. All of them know him. Phillips, love him.
Philip Powell.
Yeah, man. Philip Powell, man. Peter Phillips, love him. Philip Powell alone, Peter Phillips.
But Peter Phillips boy, or him join up with them against Powell?
Because I was part of the thing. Alright, look, if you look on which part, it's a giant lane. I think that Peter Phillips started that. You get an answer? Giant lane, it have a split between Desto and Philip Powell community.
Oh, yeah, from the...
So, but Philip Powell and Phillips then a friend, man?
Yeah, that's what I tell you. It's a bugger mix up one. It's a bugger thing one.
So at the time from Danai went with Danai and Porsche and Tony Brown them and it. That's everything.
Man.
Because, okay, so...
Philip Powell was with Porsche, don't it?
Yes.
And Danai was with Peter Phillips.
Peter Phillips, don't you?
I know that's what...
Them say, boy, him can become prime minister and them thing there. The man, they make sure of that.
That's it, split right there. So that's why when you start talking, the Paul, they said Paul, John Massachi, you know.
Well, I tell you, but man...
You notice how it blagger them wicked to him though?
Yeah, man, they deal with the mash, man.
But the whole of them still doing it. True, them I get paid if you do it still doing it.
That means you don't get paid or get $10,000.
Yeah, and that me do real I got a man.
And that's how man call me and I tell me, say, boy, the rear admiral brother, him name Andre, I saw him name, them say, him a boss it and them thing there.
So man, him a get $10,000
on YouTube. Well, still, Analyma tell still doing it, cause Them they call me the other day and them thing. That's some me know say no say Sir P. Me know about ugly some. Me know say ugly some are straight. Them man they no Jamaica.
A straight.
Yeah man, you feel in good. Me know man, in good still
Him a disguise, man. Him a try disguise. So you know that already.
No man, him not try, man. Him not hide it, man. Him not hide.
No, he might try make it look like same balance.
Oh yeah, him know for spin it. Him know for spin it still learn, but you don't know some of my people them all do them a PMP. Them know say when him stays and he now swing some little thing. Them know say that just smokes in the mirror and them thing. You understand? But let me tell you how we meet from.
When me shot now.
Entire the liar. I'm only been over for 30 odd years, you know. I want the man.
The man, you know, the man, here now, let me tell you now, between me and you. Because, you see after me do the video and them thing when me say boy with Dayton Campbell.
I say boy.
I send a letter to the President of the United States and the State Department about him man Mark Golin. About 3 days after that, a big time liar called me from Jamaica. A man I know good for 30 odd years. And the man I said, boy, he might ask if he tone it down. So I said, tone it, I said, boy.
Them don't like that. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I tell you one. So I said, what, man? I said,
you can't tell me people shut up about, man. What you tell me, sir? You're not tricking either.
No, check me. I'm a bridging and I'm a friend and him. All when me between me and when me I buy all my out, me and the man that tight, you know.
Me I buy all my house at Jamaica
and him thing there. Me not even pay. When we buy, me not even pay $1 for him do the transaction because I'm a friend.
Cause me and him, you understand what I'm saying?
But true, me and the man never discuss politics and them thing there, you understand? Because the man just know, boy, the man knows me a police and a jungle me come from and them thing there, and him know all some of my family, the man them thing there, you understand?
So we don't talk
politics, because Mr. Man, I don't like politicians still, you know, believe you me, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, say, I went, you always say the same judge incident. That he said that you would come out of prison. Between, you know, baby, he said him come out of prison. And he knows that double cross, done and all of them double crossing. I gun the man put the tape on it, man. You know what you
to 20 bullet?
Yeah, man, I gun the man. Mad. Man get mad, man.
But when them kill Judge 20 bullet, that Cuba and them thing, eh?
Cuba, I that man, I try to tell her. So him come and real time, I tell him, say, I'm friend them.
Oh, my said, don't them, my fiend friend.
Yeah. And I kill them, I try to kill him. So,
them didn't want to kill BD after him come out?
Yeah.
After, but he never got a prison for the judge thing. You know, man got a prison and
He got one lamp on, he got the third man. He got one lamp on, I right up where come from. I said to God, I think got prison for nothing else. Because when them a walk, come back and get locked up. And when them a come back, right there, so when them a go back, from Waterloo, them get locked up. Him get one lamp on. And nobody rest of them, but him get one lamp on, and I think get charged.
Somebody got prison feet, man, for the judge murder, the brother named Trevor Bulgin.
Bennett.
No, but man say, him get charged feet, like, you know, them have in a remand for 5 years.
Them charge him for something else, man. He never charge feet, man. Only Trevor alone, Trevor, remember saying come from Burger, you know, from the Burger money, you know, Trevor, you know. The black brother and them thing, they must big up. Them man got a Cuba go train. You know say a KC, you know say a Jones on them original come from. A 9 subject him have in a distinction. You know.
Right, boy, them man not from my
brother. You understand?
Alright, I'm about Kappa. Kappa made the place famous. Around the Kappa come from too, you know.
You want a burger gully?
No, man, a white tile man Kappa come from too. You see me? So Kappa made the place famous. I remember Tigo come right on with them too, you know. Tony Brown, them are flash, you know. I said them was the hot steppers, you know, them was the original hot steppers, you know.
No, I'm working on them days, you know.
Yeah, and them was it. So therefore, like you said, when you say it, that's why I laugh again. I would say I go win 1980, remember I said Dynamite came there and blew up a whole heap of things and locked down the whole system. And I said now, we as a youth now, we did about now 10-11, we can witness daily police kill a man around there. Daily.
Not true, man.
Not true.
Yeah.
Daily police kill a man around there. Why? Because I got eradicate.
Yeah, man.
And like you said.
Yeah, man, preemptive strike, man.
Yeah, man. Daily as youth, man.
Hey,
my family used to live up a Warwick Isle to one of them thing then and used to go up there, them not even have water, them have drum and but you don't know it was just a sight in the night and them thing if you look on the airport like
And them have them house, a boardhouse still doing and they on the rock.
And the man never trouble them, but I just pay soldier, you see.
Yeah, right, you know, man, up there.
You see that rock the way you see? You see that big flat rock the old people at about?
Yeah.
Remember, I hit Bob Marley at about too when I was on the rock, and when I took that stuff. I run like a fugitive.
And you know, say next man call and say a coke him a talk about, you know.
Nah, man, I write up, I said, I did them, man.
No, but I tell you, say, I used to know Bob Marley good. I want to say the soldier brother that will come from out of East.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last one I talk to, the intelligent guy, him, boy, I tell you, him have what, boy, that the man there, him have some knowledge about out that the place there and them thing there. I know I'll ugly some of them thing there, you know. Ugly some used to lock gun for Tony Brown and Jard Flash and them thing, they must gun bag. It's a boy, me I tell you, say this, the brother here.
Him come from out him used to live at Kirk, but him join in the military, so he was intelligence and them thing there. And the man, me I tell you, say the man, some things, I say, wait, how him know them thing here? Yeah, I tell you, man.
I'm gonna know a host, but I would have to still there, you know. This man, when Tiger them come back, and Tiger them come back over. That was 98.
No man, them come back out, no man.
Listen to me, I'm not trying to remember when them come back over.
Them come back 93, and 93 them come back.
93.
That's after done I run the money them pan.
Alright.
And that's how we year and them thing there. You understand?
It's when them come, I'll show you this. Then them come, and the youth thing will come. Like this, me here say, a big gun salute, a big thing one.
Yeah, man.
Big thing one. Alright, you see, right after that now, not never did it. We can't tell that.
No gun never did it?
Yeah, no gun never did it. Right after this, because when him come, him get a couple of weeks. And I tell him, I say, yo, it's up a spot here. Lock some things I never want to get into some money. And through silent erosion, and the years of them gone, we couldn't find it.
You couldn't find the gun then?
Couldn't find them. Trust me, couldn't find them. Like 4 different spots we got, I did, couldn't find it. Through silent erosion. And the man take them away. When I think of it, nobody knows because we did it for days and no man was an expert in spot there. And when him come and I carry through some spot and I say, yo, dig this up. We go as deep as down to some of them are 10 feet. Can't find it. And I say,
so we got cash air gun?
That's him say. That's him say. So, reconstruction go on now. Through Tony Welch. Same gunnery. You get an answer? Got them a same gun. So then we got a reconstruction. Politician never read. So now, Jackie Fish get involved and I say, Tony, I say, yo, Tony, come like, you get soft.
That's about telling him, uncle.
You get soft. Because we not feeling engaged, but we grow him. You get them, I say. Yeah, so you get soft. So I say, alright. So we want me. I say, yo, get the night as a feed it to a straw and a spoon feed it. You want to you got big one to the line. What I know the line. You get it now? You see what the influence coming?
For the nephew.
Yeah, so this and all that I will meet and then I have it more. And I said, cut down at the box. And I said, go and be killer. When I took any of the night, we killer. Because we see when you used to watch the gas station for you see which is true. We see when you used to watch, go down there, go check it. You go down there, know him. You go down there, check it.
Down at SO gas station.
Yeah. You see? And sit down and say, Father D.
But well, some of them send their foreign in the 80s, you know, some of them we make man kill them and rob them.
Yeah, man.
I know, so you know the gas station?
You know the brother where them kill at DC and them use that youth, the money and buy the gas station. You know that youth there?
No, I know him. I even didn't know him. Them time they know now knowledge of certain things. You get what I say?
87 him killed the youth there and him thing there. That about
2 months before him kill the judge.
Yeah.
You go see that youth the picture. You see that youth the picture today and them thing there.
but hold on for them. Yeah, that's it.
You see that youth the picture and them thing there. That youth the picture there on the video where I come out with Trinity.
Our man that from out of East where I tell. Yeah man, Trinity, yeah man. Our brother from out of East where he said the whole heap of trouble. All bad man and them thing there. And Trinity nearly.
God, no, one time I look at you still, you know. I would have on Sanders Avenue, you know. My father, we used to live on Sanders Avenue.
About 30 odd man Trinity kill out of East, you know though.
How are you, man?
More.
My father, the man run that one night. I'm old man table boss a grape.
Hey, this man and them I Trinity make this man the man who are here and them thing there come out saying I Trinity change this man life, man. You understand?
Yo. And the same, you know, so the same thing my father said. My father said, yo, I Trinity. Me not with no one bad. Me not bad. Sit down and tell me that as a little you. So when he said that, daddy.
Yeah, but the man say my
Friend when a bad man and the man say him and Trinity in a shootout and when the man bust round the corner, him say me know how Trinity shot catch the man and them thing and lick him down. And Trinity yeah man, and Trinity tell him friend them the other police him say, yeah man, a dead for that, you know.
I shot the round corner, you know man. And yeah man, and the man say, I tell you, the man say from that him afraid. Can I said no, because which part the man get shot on them thing there. If the shot which part Trinity there, him say it's supposed to go through the wall, and him say man get shot. Yeah, so them believes that Trinity shot really go around corner for true, you know.
Yeah. Brother, my father tell me that's a Trinity empty ball. That's why I'm going to drive. He said, I never have nothing to do. And when someone man him in a politics, he said, I'm going to drive. He say, see, you hear that?
Listen, boy, when me hear that, I say, me laugh. The man say, you laugh, you must hear that.
My father said, I go take up my broom, I'm going to have a goal with my son. That's how I'm take. Yeah, see, I was thinking, the man teach me to read, watch and the thing there now. Instill something. That's how me hear that, I rate you know. I'll tell you next thing with the next connection. But no, you have a one speed. I doubt me take and fight the man, my friend. You can run. If me give the name, you can check the whole thing. No, we don't do nothing at Jamaica. We have nothing at Jamaica, man, more than love, man. Because with my sister, we grew up on my side of family. And some teachers and doctors. Like, no truth. So my mother side now, we come like black sheep and we never get us, and my father come like an outcast, but we don't get our money, understand? But she raise up good now. She raise up good now, and still good now. We see him in a kid walk on, like you said. You understand? Yeah. I'm like, brother and police, yeah man, and after the paper man, in dialogue, you can kill one of the youth. But to me, I tell you, I think I'm supported, we are a blessing. Say to me, man, my brother feel like the dead stamp splitting image. One time, me and a girl in a altercation, and me I hide, no female thing. Now the altercation, so I hide for the girl. You know, you take her money from the girl, that's what. And then the rest struggle. Yeah. And she walked back and she said, well, I'll call the police and I'll lock you. So man say, yo, man, try to get some work and try to pay her back. So my brother sit down now, female, she old man, me and the man favor. Man sit up on the veranda. And meet over in the yard of the Jeep, pull up. And shoot me at the Jeep, you know.
The police?
The police shoot at the Jeep.
So never have no gun police?
No, man, they're not on police, you know.
Okay.
And then shoot me at the Jeep. And them have the picture I look for, my picture, them I look for with him, you know. Yeah. And I look for him and shoot me at the Jeep, and she say, and the girl come and say, no man, the wrong brother you lock up. You understand? So I said no them, so that the policeman didn't go around for. I said, yo man, okay, but you love fear, you love a fear. So yeah, let's squash all that. We end up, you know the thing, like we said no, but we end up.
So we have come to the end of part 1 of this series, telling you about, this is intimate information from someone who's connected with George Flash, Tony Brown, and back in the days when they had returned to Jamaica after these men were Jamaica's most wanted men. I'm telling you, the rest that's there, it's this is just the tip of the iceberg. And because it's not every Jamaicans, who are from the ghetto enjoy killing each other. Some people, it start to dawn on them and realize that everything that has been happening, they are the ones who are feeling the pain. The same poor people, and they're feeling the pain, and the people who are behind it, they are the ones that live comfortable. So that's why he's speaking up, because he doesn't want, he sees what the PMP is all about right now, especially with Mark Golan and using these coded words, covertly, preaching violence. So that's why this man is speaking up to, because he used to be one of the, what you call, shatter, one of the bad man them, and he doesn't want these youths them to do what he has seen happen in the 70s, and then what happened to Tony Brown, they had to run away, and then when they came back, and the same people, even Danai Williams, because remember, Danai Williams is the one, because he had the connection. Danai Williams is the one that spend the money, that pay the police them, at CIB headquarters, to get rid of the witnesses, to make certain that the file, yes, that when the file go to court for both men, Tony Brown and George Flash, that there will be no witness statement on it, because the detectives down there at CIB headquarters, they collected money from Danai Williams. You understand? So that's why you see that a lot of, you have seen some senior detective have lost their visa. Yes, man, men like Elon, Powell and all those people. You understand? Because remember, Danai Williams is in America on political asylum. So you have to be, straight up with Uncle Sam. You understand? But we'll give you the names of the police them who have lost their visa because of their involvement in, because these police are more PMP than Michael Manley. They are corrupt, many of them. But when the series finish, we let you know who are these police officers, the ones that collected money and make sure that Tony Brown and George Flash walk when they return to Jamaica after 13 years in hiatus in Cuba. Two of Jamaica's most wanted men. So they came back to Jamaica when PMP was in power, and they were treated like celebrity for killing a government employee. So that's why when we tell you that, that the PMP is a criminal organization, and people think that we are joking. We are not. If you can think, you will just see it manifests by itself. Manifest by itself. You don't have to hide anything about it. But as we tell you, you can look on the thumbnail and you see that East Kingston farmer gangster unveil in Jamaica most wanted, Tony Brown, George Flash, and the truth. A change and perspective defending Angela. But yeah, because he's defending Angela Brownberg as Tony Brown's daughter. Yes, and you're going to hear, and as we say, look here, and we can say this to Angela, there's no reason for you to be ashamed of who your father is. You understand? You cannot choose your father. You understand what I'm saying? So be silent and scrubbing it and all of them things. Yes, you're not going to be proud of him, but proud of what he did. But this is it. I can just teach you what my mother have taught me. In life, if you have a brother, or even your father or your mother, them thief or this, or it doesn't matter what they have done in the past. As my mother told me, don't be ashamed because it's not you. You judge each person on their own merit. You don't judge a person. Not because society would want to do that, but that is not you. So it's just simple. Yeah, Tony Brown and your father and them thing, you understand? It's just simple. Look, I do not choose who my father is. They say that Tony Brown is my father. I have to just accept it. I am not proud of what he have done. I haven't associated myself with him and all kind of things. So that's how it is. There's no reason for you to be hiding and everything there. Because we can't choose with parents. Believe you me. You understand? So have yourself a beautiful day. Part 2 will be coming up shortly. But, let's wait and see what happens. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.